Acharya in Upadesa Ratnamala, in the Pasuram 14 and 15, tells us about Nammalvar. In Tirukkurungudi, a childless couple, Kari and Udayanangai, paid Kurungudi Nambi a visit. Moved by the devotion of the couple, Kurungudi Nambi decided to take a human form as a child to them. A baby was born in the month of Vaisakhi under Visakha Nakshatram. The baby was unusual from birth and refused to take any milk or food, so he was called Maran. The baby was not only the avatar of Kurungudi Nambi but also an amsam of Sri Vishwaksena. The worried couple went to the temple of Adinath in Tirukkurugur. Kari and Udayanangai placed the baby in a cradle under a tamarind tree of the temple, and an amazing event took place. The baby crawled out of the cradle and selected a place for itself under a tamarind tree. The tree was none other than the Amsam of Sri Adisesha, born to shelter the Supreme Lord, now in the form of Satakopan. All were astonished to see Maran assuming a yogic pose with folded legs and remained in this position for 16 years. In his devotional outpourings, Maran assumes many forms. He expresses his love for the Lord in Nayika Bhava, putting himself in the position of a girl yearning for Shri Krishna. Shri Nammalvar composed 4 brilliant works which are considered to be equivalent of the Vedas. Tiruvrittam is the essence of Rigveda, comprising of 100 pasurams. Tiruvasariyam is the essence of Yajurveda in 7 verses. Periya Tiruvandadi consists of 87 verses, which is the essence of Atharvana Veda. Tiruvalmozhi consists of 1102 pasurams, which are the essence of Samaveda. Tiruvalmozhi is considered crown among all Nalayira Divya Prabandham and is as sweet as a nectar which the Devas had after churning the ocean. It starts as Uyarvara Uyarnalam Udayavan Yavanavan Mayarvara Madinalam Arulinan Yavanavan Ayarvarum Amarargal Adibadi Yavanavan Tuyarare Shudaredi Toludayan Manane. Now, the 14th Pasuram in Upadesa Ratnamalai, written by our Acharya Shri Manavala Mamuni. Erarvaigasi Visagattin Etrathai Parariya Pagargindren Sirarum Vedam Tamil Seida Mayyan Eyil Kurugai Nathan Avadarittanal. Meaning, O the people of the world, let me tell you the glory associated with Visakha star in this beautiful Vaisakhi month. This day marks the incarnation of Nammalvar, who provided to us the essence of Vedas in simple Tamil language in the southern hamlet of Alvar Tirunagari. Now the 15th Pasuram. Undo Vaigasi விசாகத்துக்கு ஒப்பு ஒரு நாள் உண்டோ, சடகோபர்க்கு ஒப்பு ஒருவர் உண்டோ, திருவாய்மொழிக்கு ஒப்பு தென் குருகைக்கு உண்டோ, ஒரு பார்த்தனில் ஒக்கும் ஊர். Meaning, is there a day that is equivalent to Vaisakhi Visakam? Is there a person whose scholarship is equivalent to that of Nammalvar? Is there a scholarly work which is comparable to Nammalvar's Thiruvaimozhi? In the whole world, is there a place which is comparable to Alvar Tirunagari? The answer is resounding no. நம்மாழ்வார் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஸ்ரீ மணவாள மாமுனி திருவடிகளே சரணம்.